Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about this idea of a public company can't take a quarter off, part one. And it all starts with the idea that public companies and executives are judged on quarterly performance. This is both financial and operational, and every company has a set of one or more golden metrics that they need to execute on in a given quarter. And really, successful earnings can be as simple as just executing positively on one or more of those golden metrics. So let's look at data center REITs. The golden metric of data center REITs is the number of megawatts that a company leases in a quarter. If a company leases greater than X megawatts, where X is based on management and investor expectations, the stock will go up. If the company leases less than or equal to 0 megawatts in a given quarter, the stock is going to go down. And the key is that everything else becomes secondary to valuation beyond the golden metric. And again, all companies have a golden metric, and more importantly, sometimes they create these metrics without realizing them. So let's look at an in-action situation. Take data center A, which is large, well-known, has no inventory, but gets a lease from a large, well-respected customer and turns it down. Data center B is small, more unstable, and has no inventory, but accepts that lease from the large customer. The investor feedback was such that if your business is to lease megawatts, you need to accept all indications of business and build a backlog. You're not in the business of giving business to your competition. So what are the key learnings of this situation? The first is that golden metrics drive valuation. You need to make sure that you're executing correctly on those metrics. Number two, management teams need to be mindful that they may be creating golden metrics and then have to execute on those created metrics. And number three, consistency is key. If you can consistently and stably execute on your golden metrics, both inherent and created over a period of quarters, you will always unlock shareholder value. Thanks for watching. Always here to help with your capital markets, investor relations, and corporate finance needs.